Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub for LinkedIn portfolio links. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with GitHub for your LinkedIn portfolio links, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to github.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, you can skip to logging in. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements. Choose a username that represents you or your work. Click on the Continue button to proceed. GitHub will then ask you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from GitHub. Click on the verification link in the email. After verification, return to GitHub. You may be prompted to select a plan. Choose the free option to begin with. Fill out any additional information requested, such as your profile or purpose of using GitHub. Once completed, click Finish to create your account. Now, you can log in using your new credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your GitHub dashboard. To add repositories, click on the New button. Provide a name for your repository and a brief description. Choose whether to make it public or private. Click Create Repository to finalize. Your repository is now set up. Copy the link to your repository. Next, open LinkedIn in your browser. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile page. Locate the Add Profile section button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.